So where are we going, Ray?
Mountain Creek, dude. Second Pro GRT, get fired up. Cause a nigga like me is going in.
What are your thoughts on abortion?
I don't support it.
Brooklyn.
Which way do you turn nipples to tighten them?
Right. Everyone knows it's left.
No.
Right or left, Shane?
Right.
Show me your booty hole.
Pussy, pussy, pussy.
Sheesh. You Snapchatting? Yeah, you are. Gosh.
What are your thoughts on abortion?
Pretty not sick. But whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do.
What's up, bitch? Trying to scrap? No, we're trying to watch Carnage.
Yeah, girl.
Nice save!
Where are we at, bub?
Chester, New York. One place that you just have to go
We go walking, then you look into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
Jump like all the way.
Hey, puppy. How you feel about the track?
Very interesting. No, it's fast. It's really fun. I like it.
Nice.
Whoa!
Yeah, gravity power.
Everything is alright. Because I'm down, everything's alright. Can I get away in tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was.
Yeah, buddy.
How are you feeling?
Where's your bike?
I don't know.
Why? Did they find it?
No.
What are you on?
A rental bike. You saw me! Yes, I'm a boy! I know you saw me!
I remember what's in his eyes, stealing kisses from me.
Yeah, nice
slide,
people.
taking time to make time, telling me that he's all mine, learning from each other.
Yeah, Uncle Willem.
Looking to see if I'm